Let's learn our ABCs. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. It's A. A for apple. It's B. B for ball. It's C. C for cat. Cat. It's D. D for dog. It's E. E for elephant. It's F. F for fish. It's G. G for giraffe. It's H. H for hen. I for ice cream. It's J. J for jelly. It's K. K for kite. L. L for lion. It's M. M for monkey. It's N. N for nest. O. O for orange. It's P. P for parrot. It's Q. Q for queen. It's R. R for rabbit. It's S. S for sun. It's T. T for train. It's U. U for umbrella. It's V. V for van. It's W. W for watermelon. It's X. X for xylophone. It's Y. Y for yak. It's Z. Z for zebra.